for a luxury RV home near Orlando, Florida, I have the perfect community for you in Polk City. It's Mount Olive Shores North. If you're looking for a lake with a boat ramp, you're looking for unbelievable amenities, I have the perfect home for you, and it just got reduced to $599,000, and best of all, it has a RV attached garage. So let me show you the community and let me show you our listing that just got reduced. Mount Olive Shores North is not just a neighborhood, it's a destination. It's 24-hour gated security, professionally staffed, lushly maintained grounds, and yes, basic lawn care is included. All right, so now let me show you the amenities that Mount Shores North has to offer. And we have, first of all, there is a boat ramp. So you got a lake, and also, you have two clubhouses, one's covered, one's not covered. You have shuffleboard, you have the championship pickleball and tennis. You have a gym here, have a craft room, and just to show you how social they are, check out this itinerary. You have the community yard sale, Prohibition 33, I don't know what that is, fashion show, sing-along karaoke. Can you imagine right in your own community? You could just walk or bring your golf cart here and sing, pancake breakfast, St. Patrick's Day, and a time for women. Let's start with what makes this property almost impossible to find. So it's the RV attached garage. This property has all the hookups that you need to set up your beautiful RV, and you have all this space up there in that loft area. You have all this space here for storage. You have an outdoor door. And look at all this room. Right now there's a van in here, but this will hold a 45-foot RV. In addition to this huge attached RV garage, there's another garage over here for your golf cart, for your van. Let's turn these lights on so you can see. And then this accommodates 2 cars. It has a sink there and plenty of storage space if you want to have some shelves in here. That's what makes this property unique. Now, let me show you the inside. The first bedroom is here up front as soon as you walk in, and then it has a full bath. The second bedroom is off the kitchen here, and that can be used as, if you don't need the third bedroom, this could be very easily used for a den or an office space. As you can see, this is a very spacious kitchen, lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space. You have the stainless steel refrigerator, and look how open it is to the living room. Here you have the living room, dining room combination. And then there's a sunroom off that area with pocket doors, with windows, with screens, and just a perfect place for your morning coffee. The primary bedroom is off the family room, dining room area. Look how spacious it is. It has also a huge closet, double sinks, bathtub, and shower. So if you're interested in this beautiful property, contact Elizabeth Willers and Travis Chris with Sirhan, and let's get you in this home before Easter.